Hi, everyone. Well, did you know that there is now a term for when you're in front of the computer or your phone for long periods of time? You got your head down and you're slumped. It's called tech neck or text neck. Yep, because what that does is when we're in these positions for a long period of time, our front gets shorter and tighter, and the back gets longer and weaker. So what we want to make sure is that we're more balanced, right? So I've got 5 simple exercises for you to do that's going to help open up the chest and the neck and stretch and contract the back and strengthen the back a little bit. Just very, very simple. They only take a few minutes at a time. So the first one is we're sitting, well, this is your base pose, is we're sitting tall, crown of the head to the ceiling, shoulder blades relaxed and down the back. There's a nice open space from the sternum to the lower belly. The tongue is parked at the roof of the mouth. And then we're just tuning in and we're breathing in and out through our nose into our lower ribs and our belly. Great. Already you can feel you're coming out of your head and having more awareness in your body, feeling more grounded already. So the first one's really easy. We're sitting with our head maybe jutting forward a lot. So let's take the chin back. And of course, we're sitting nice and tall, chin back, and hold it for 5 seconds or maybe 5 breaths, and then relax. And then back again. It feels like your ears are over your shoulders. And then release. And again, back. Nice little stretch and toning of the upper back neck. And we should feel luscious. So the next one is the simple rolling of the shoulders. We're still sitting tall and feeling that the shoulder blades come back towards each other. And then as you bring them up and around, we want them to be able to move and not feel stuck. Okay, in and out through the nose. Nice, soft, light, and deep breath. So just feel how mobile your shoulder blades are. And then take them forward and around and back. When you take them back, you want to see if you can take the shoulder blades in towards each other. So they're moving. How fluid are they? As well as the shoulders. How fluid is it? Take it all the way back, up and around. You can do that a couple times and just move the shoulders. Okay, and let's check in. How does that feel? Just moving the shoulders. How does that feel? And then this one you can either do with your hands up in this position. If you prefer, you can take your hands and clasp your hands behind your head. Tongue is at the roof of the mouth. And there's just a lift and a gentle taking your shoulders down and your elbows open and then coming upright. It's a lovely stretch right in the front of the body we're opening up the armpits, stretching the upper arms, contracting the back, and holding for 5 seconds or 5 breaths. Or if you prefer, you can play with these exercises. You can move in and out, or maybe it feels like, no, I just need to stay here. And then coming down and check how you feel. Lovely. And then because the back can be very tight, let's just take the shoulder blades back. So you want to take the shoulder blades as if they're aiming towards touching each other. And that gives us a nice stretch in the front, but the shoulders are relaxed and down. Just easy. Opening up and stretching the front, contracting the back. That's very simple. And feel your shoulder blades when you're coming forward, that they're moving out and that they're moving in towards each other when you're contracting back. And one last one is moving the neck in a real gentle way, and you're pressing the opposite hand away and flexing the wrist. So you're even getting a little bit of a wrist movement. And relax. And the head, you're looking a tiny bit up towards the ceiling, but just only a little bit. And you can play with this. What do you need? What is your body saying? Nope, I just want to be here. Take it the ear over towards the shoulder, keeping the shoulder nice and relaxed and lengthened. Holding for the 5 seconds, or if you feel like, no, I need to just move in and out, you got lots of options. And then relax, and then go over to the other side. Nice reach. It really brings you into being present and mindful on what is happening and how you can make some changes over time. We're not in any rush. If we're doing simple exercises like this on a regular basis, notice how that is going to bring your body back more into balance. And then closing the eyes, placing the hands on the thighs, crown of the head to the ceiling, shoulders are relaxed, tune in. And gently open your eyes. Feeling marvelous, feeling centered. You've got a couple of exercises that you can do all together, or just choose the ones that you want to do at that particular moment. Learn to connect with your body and say, what's my body saying right now? It wants me to move my neck. It wants me to open my chest, or to contract my back, move my shoulders. Bye for now. Let me know how you feel. See you next week.